In this video, we will graph coordinates using the Graphing Basics definitions. So in this video, we're going to go over some vocabulary that we're going to use in class. The first one is coordinate plane. A coordinate plane is formed by the intersection of two number lines, the horizontal axis and the vertical axis. Okay, so horizontal is left to right, just a reminder here, and vertical is up and down. So this is an example of the coordinate plane. We have the vertical and horizontal axes that intersect. The x-axis is the horizontal axis on the coordinate plane. So this horizontal axis from left to right is the x-axis. It's a number line that starts in the negatives and moves to the positives. The y-axis is the vertical axis on the coordinate plane that starts in the negatives at the bottom and goes into the positives as we increase up. Next we have quadrants. Quadrants are the four regions of the coordinate plane that are separated by the x and y axes. You need to know which quadrant is which. The first quadrant is our positives. Second quadrant is to the left of that. Down below is the third quadrant. And then lastly is the fourth quadrant. A way to remember where to start when numbering the quadrants is we know that this is a coordinate plane. So we start here and we make a C. So start in 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make the C for coordinate plane, and that's a way to remember how to number the quadrants. On the coordinate plane, we have one point that's super important. We have the origin. The origin is the point where the x and y axes intersect on the coordinate plane. So this point right here is the origin, and it has coordinates, or the ordered pair of the origin is 0, 0. An ordered pair is our next definition. An ordered pair is the set of numbers or coordinates of the form x, y. The ordered pair determines a specific location on the coordinate plane. So here we have the set of coordinates -2, 5. We have x coordinate of -2 and a y coordinate of +5. Specifically, the x coordinate is the x value of an ordered pair. This represents the horizontal placement of the point. So here, the horizontal placement, or the x coordinate, is 4. The y coordinate is the y value of an ordered pair, and this represents the vertical placement of the point on the coordinate plane. So in our point for -7, the y coordinate is -7. This would represent the vertical placement on that y number line, or that y axis. We're going to use these definitions in class to plot points and remind ourselves about the coordinate plane.